If you have noticed some slowdown in the performance of your Galaxy tablet, do not worry, because in this video I will give you a few tips on how you can fix this issue. For the first method, just go to Settings. From here, just scroll down and tap on Battery. Now just check if power saving has been enabled or not. If power saving is turned on, just turn it off, because when this mode is enabled, this can limit the CPU speed of your tablet, so make sure you turn it off. After that, just go back and tap on Background Usage Limits. Now just tap on Sleeping Apps, and over here just add the apps which you don't want to run in the background. For that, just tap on the plus icon over here and select the apps which you don't want to run in the background. After that, just select Add, and you will add the apps to this list. And by doing this, these apps will not work in the background after you leave them. Now after you do that, then just scroll down and tap on About Tablet. From here, just tap on the software information, then tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now it might ask you to enter the password or the PIN of your lock screen, but after you do that, you will enable developer options on your tablet. After you do that, then just scroll down even more in the main settings page, and at the bottom of the page, you will find the option for developer options. And under these settings, just scroll down and tap on Running Services. Now over here, you will find all the apps which are currently running in the background. Sometimes when you close an app on your tablet, even if you remove them from the Recent Apps section, they will still run in the background. Now to stop them completely from running in the background, just select the app from here and select Stop. And by doing this, the selected app will stop running in the background. Now after you do that, then in the main settings page, just tap on Device Care. From here, just tap on Storage. Now just check the storage of your tablet. If the storage of your tablet is full, then just delete some data from your tablet to free up some space. To do that, just tap on Duplicated Files and check if you have any duplicated files on your tablet. If you have any, just delete them from here. After that, just go back and tap on Large Files. And from here, just check all the large files on your tablet, and if there is any file which you no longer need, just select it and delete it. After you do that, then just go back and tap on Trash. Now if you have deleted any photos, videos, or any files on your tablet, it will be shown right here. Just select the Gallery app or the Files app, and from there just clean the recycle bin of your tablet. Now if you have done that, but if you're still low on storage, then just delete any apps which you no longer need, or you can upload all your photos and videos to the cloud or to any external drive, and you can delete them from your tablet to free up some space. After you do that, then just go back and tap on Memory. From here, just tap on Clean Now. Then tap on RAM Plus. Now, if RAM Plus has been enabled on your tablet, just turn it off. After you do that, then finally just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet. For that, just open the Control Center and tap on the power icon. Now just select Restart. And once the restart process is completed, you will fix the slowdown in the performance of your Galaxy tablet. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.